Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech, and in this video we have two news that are actually related to Google. So basically one of the news from Google is going to be affecting us in our day-to-day life, and then the second news, Google has been working a lot on that. So without any further ado, let's directly jump into this video and let's find out what these news are. So basically the first news that we have is related to Google Photos. So if you know, Google Photos is going through a major update coming next month, that is from June 1st, which is undoubtedly going to be disappointing a lot of Google customers, because a lot of people have been using Google Photos only so that they can back up their photos and videos. Even if you're an iPhone user, a lot of people have been using Google Photos to save their photos and videos. But coming next month, that is June 1st, you cannot save your photos and videos into Google Photos. So if you know, Google actually gives you 15 GB of free storage to save your photos and videos. But from June 1st, they are going to be changing the policy and they are going to be charging you to save the photos. All the photos that have been submitted before June 1st will be saved, will not be deleted, they will be safe in the storage. But to keep storing photos and videos into Google Photos, you have to pay at least $65 per month or $1,300 for 100 GB of storage per year. This is how much they are going to be charging to save the photos and videos. But yes, there are actually a lot of alternatives that have come up in the market right now. For example, Microsoft Drive and Geo Photos is also coming up. I mean, it's already in the market and a lot of people have started using it. So search for alternatives is what I suggest. Well, the second news is related to Pixel fans. So Google phones, Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 5 have been recently launched, and a lot of people have been waiting for the Google Pixel 6. Well, there are 6 leaks suggesting that Google Pixel 6 is going to be coming out, and there are 2 variants apparently coming out, that is the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So basically in Google Pixel 2 and 3, there used to be a dual tone finish in the back, suggesting the camera notch is going to be in one color and then the bottom is going to be in black color for Google Pixel 2 and 3. But Google Pixel 4 and 5 got rid of the dual tone scheme that was coming in the back. But Google Pixel 6 renders suggest that there is going to be a tone. I mean, there are different colors coming up, but there are 3 different colors coming up. That is 3 tone colors are coming up for the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So basically the first top layer, as you can see over here, you can see that it is going to be in different color, then the camera notch is going to be in different color and the bottom is going to be in different color as well. So this is what the Pixel 6 renders are suggesting how this phone is going to be turning out. So it's going to be coming with the Android 12 as standard, because obviously it's a Google phone, so Google phones will come with the latest software in the market. If you look at the previous Pixel designs, Pixel 4, 5, 2 and 3, you will see that there is no camera notch, or there is a flat bottom for the phones. But Google Pixel 6 is suggesting that it is going to be having a notch. So basically they're not going to be putting up a notch, they're going to be covering it up. So there's going to be a bump on the back of the screen, bump on the back of the phone, which is going to be a little bit awkward at first, but it's going to be habituated if you are a Google Pixel fan. So the Google Pixel 6 is going to be having 2 cameras and Google Pixel 6 Pro is going to be having 3 cameras. That is what the renders suggest, but I'm not sure what is going to be turning out. Most of the times when there are leaks, they turn out to be true, because Google does not allow to make any leaks, and if there are leaks related to Google and Apple, that means they have to be 99% sure about what they're going to be coming up. So this is what the Google Pixel 6 is going to be looking out. So please do let me know in the comments, what do you think about this phone? What do you think about the 3 color scheme on the back? I personally like the 3 color scheme, and I am looking forward to look at how this phone is going to be turning out in the real world. So yeah, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.